Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mercedes wheel spacers hard to remove. Let's go. The back of BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with disassembly groove. You can easily remove spacers with a flathead screwdriver. When removing the spacer, place a screwdriver into the groove and then simply apply force at an angle. You can separate the spacer from axle hub easily without damaging the surface of spacers. For BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers, the grooves also act as air collecting funnels, which is effectively increasing airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.